So this video is about how to replace a battery on a 2015 Hyundai Accent. Obviously, I started filming after already getting the battery out of the car. I personally thought these batteries were very heavy. This is what the engine compartment looks like on this car. And over there is where you have to fit the battery in. And these things are heavy. That may be part of how the Hyundai dealer justifies how much it charges to replace the battery. Let's get it in. Okay, so far it is in. Now I'm sorry this isn't going to be more of a video where I show you step by step, but I gotta try to get this done before it gets dark. First order, see that hole down there between the air filter and the battery? I gotta put a clamp back on down there. It takes a 12mm bolt. Okay, got that bolted in. Like I said, it uses a 12mm. If you got a long enough extension, you won't need to remove the air cleaner like I did. Okay, so I got the terminals back on. Just need to tighten them up. On the terminals, you only need to take off this bolt. Or on the other one, this bolt. This bolt and this bolt. And those both use a 10mm socket. I get it tightened up, and then we'll turn the key on, make sure it's charging. And then we'll reattach the air filter and start it. Okay, I'd say we have a solid connection. Okay, let's start her up. Looks like we're good to go, just about. Thanks for watching. And in case you were wondering what a 2015 Hyundai Accent looks like, here's a side shot. By the way, before I did this job, I did call the Hyundai dealer in my town to see what they would charge, and she estimated $350 for an aftermarket battery, parts and labor, or $450 if it was a Hyundai battery. Now obviously they didn't have the car there. Some cars might cost more than others, but I ended up paying $200 at the parts store for this battery, and as far as car repairs go, it was pretty simple. If you were at a shop with everything in stock, all the tools handy and everything, this would probably be a 10-minute job. And in fairness to the dealer, I probably said it before, but these batteries are heavy. Thank you for watching.